Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your very first time joining me. My name is Jessica. I'm a makeup lover, of course. So for today's video, we are doing all the blues and all the greens. We are giving blue and green vibes. I'm actually really pleasantly I like it. I like it. I like it a lot. I feel like it just, even though it's very colorful, it still just looks so like snatched. I don't know. It's just a vibe. I am only going to be doing my eyes in today's video because I've been doing my face makeup in the past videos and I just kind of rotate through my collection. There's really nothing new, but I will be sure to leave all of my face products down below. If you are like me, the LA Star X Lele Posh Cosmetics highlighter. I use the shade Pisces today. So good. I don't know if they still sell the palette, but I do know that they still have the singles. So if you guys wanted like any of these shades, like you can see they're kind of colorful. This is like a glitter, which I did use some of that today. You guys will see if you stay tuned till the end where I do the up close of my makeup. I did put some of that glittery color in the back there. But yeah, I just had to shout out this highlighter because it is so good. Makes me want to do a little happy dance, you know? So yeah. Just focusing on the eyes today. Definitely don't forget to stay tuned until the very end of the video where I do an up close of my makeup. That way you guys can see the true beauty of the blend. And if you're curious to see me create this eyeshadow look, then definitely keep on watching. So my eyelids are already primed and I'm going to be taking the Blend Bunny Cosmetic, almost dropped it, Surge palette today. I don't show this palette enough love, so I really wanted to use it again. Somebody requested that I do lime green, baby blue, and black. So I have the perfect idea in mind. I'm so excited. So, yes, I primed my lids already. Let me get some brushes. The first shade that I'm going to take is the blue shade Linger, which is this one right here. I was kind of going back and forth debating on if I wanted to use the blue and the green, like the deepest, like blue and green, excuse me. But I decided I'm just going to use the blue. So I'm just going to pack this down in a cut crease shape. This is a dough color brush, by the way, just their neon set. These brushes are so good and they're so soft. And they're not expensive at all. I'm just going to tail this up towards my wing. I mean, wing this up towards my tail of my brow. Good one. Fucking genius. Okay, so first I'm going to blend the inner corner with the blues and then I'll blend the outer corners with the green. So I'm going to take the shade Rush. And then I'm going to take the baby blue called Energy. And I love the neons in this so much. So starting with the shade Rush, I'm just going to take this on a small little fluffy brush. And I'm only going to blend halfway. Because I really want that baby blue to be the center of the show. So I'm not going to take it all the way up. And I'm not going to take it all the way to the tail. And then I'll take the shade Energy on an even fluffier brush. And go right over that second shade. And then after I lay down the green, I'll go through and like perfect the blend before I cut the crease. So this is the blue I'll blend it out. I just went through and I kind of just blended like from the darkest to the lightest to complete the blend. Now we're going to do the greens. So for the green, I'm going to take the shade Alive and Chemistry. This is like a zombie green. These are like zombie greens. And then this beautiful, beautiful neon lime green. Okay. I'm taking this on a Makeup Shack T9 brush, shade Alive. And I'm going to go ahead and just start blending this out. then on this fluffy brush, I'll take the shade Chemistry. And really smoke this out. Oh, you're so sweet, babe. Huh? So I'm going to cut the crease. I'm going to follow this shape. And then I'm going to lay down the P.Louise Basic Bright. Or no, this is the Acid Rain Limelight. Shade Limelight, which is beautiful lime green. Actually, before I do that, I wanted to take some of the shade Vinyl, which is the black. And I'm just going to deepen this up. Then I'll cut the crease. So can you see the difference? Now cut the crease. So this is the base, nice and lime green. I'm going to start by I'm going to take this little flat brush with the shade Vinyl, which is the black. And I'm going to do a little rough sketch of a wing. Connor, babe, go to your room, please. Connor? Okay, so I'm just doing a rough sketch of a wing. I'm gonna also clean this up, so that's why I'm just kind of winging it. Then I'm gonna take the same brush with the shade Linger. So, okay, so I'm gonna point to the shades that I'm gonna use just to show you guys. So I used Vinyl, then I'm gonna take Linger, Rush, and then we'll go right into Chemistry. So on the same brush, I'll take the shade Linger, which is the dark blue. And I'm going to go right over that black. Just a little bit, not too much. Just like that, just smoking it out a little bit more. Then on a fluffier brush, I'm going to take the shade Rush, also the blue. And again, I'm going a little bit further in, a little bit further up, a little bit further out. Now I'm going to take the shade Chemistry on this fluffy brush. And I'm going to go ahead and just set this right on top of that green. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take this white. This looks so super cool. So the final step is I'm going to take this Unearthly Cosmetic. This is a liquid shadow in the shade Nebula. And I'm going to add this to the front. And just kind of blend it with my finger. Okay, so this is what the eyes look like. I'm thinking I want to take these lashes. I think these are the My Lash Lab lashes in the style Whiplash. So I'm going to apply these, stick them down with some glue right proper, and then I'm going to go ahead and do my face makeup. I've been doing it in my last few videos, so I'm going to skip over that today, and we can come back and finish up under the eyes, which I think since there's so much green going on, I think I'm just going to do the blue under the eyes, so that way it really has that like blue-green effect, but I really love the way this came out, So I just went ahead and I did my face makeup. Actually, I did not set that hoe. Let me set my face real quick. I'm going to take this little brush and I'm going to take the shade Linger, which is the deep blue. And I'm going to smoke this all the way across my lash line. Then I'll take the shade Rush on the same brush. Then I'm going to take the shade Energy to complete this. So there's this deep green in the palette, but I think that's going to be too dark for what I want. So I'm thinking I'm going to take the shade Flash. So you guys know how I like to do like the wavy hair. So I washed my hair yesterday. I try not to wash it too often for like the general health and like making it grow and stuff. So yesterday was like my wash day. And I have this like hair, like it's like a leave-in conditioner, and then I have like this like rice water like conditioner. So I put in just a little bit of the conditioner in my hair, and then when I went to squeeze the bottle for the rice water, a shit ton came out, more than I usually use. I scraped most of it back into the bottle, but I think I still used too much because my hair looked greasy. And I was just so disappointed because I wanted to have my hair down with like the curls. So that's why it's kind of pinned up, because it looked really, really greasy, and it just sucks because it was like fresh washed. So that's why we're looking, that's why the hair's up like this today. But I mean, I still think it looks good, but yeah. Anyways, so here is the completed look. For my lip combo, I went in with the NYX Suede lip liner in the shade Sandstorm, and then the Hank & Henry Satin Matte lipstick in the shade Lust. Beautiful, beautiful lipstick. And then in the center, I just put the Michaela X Glam Light Gloss, the like icy one. Perfection. Nude lips are just a way to go. I just love a good nude lip, but I also love a really good red lip. Anyways, my highlighter, that's what my soul looks like on the inside. So yeah, anyways, here's the completed look. I really do hope that you guys enjoyed today's tutorial. Definitely don't forget to like and subscribe if you like me and if you like my content. And without further ado, we're going to go right on ahead. Roll the clip.